to our group presentation. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our group presentation for the Global Operations Module 7044SL. Today, we will critically evaluate this impact of globalization on the adoption of lean production in DPD, which is leading global parcel logistic provider. My name is Neha, and I am presenting today with my group members Umesh, Jatin, and Sanita. In this presentation, we have some contents like lean history and principles, impact of globalization on lean in DPD, best lean implementation strategies, and mitigation of implementation issues. We will discuss all these contents in our presentation. In this presentation, we will first define globalization and lean production. Globalization is the growing integration of markets and operations worldwide, which requires companies like DPD optimize their process to remain competitive. Lean production, though initially created for manufacturing, is now used in services to improve efficiency and customer value. We will discuss lean history and principle, analyze DPD, lean production, and its environment impact. And finally, recommend implementation strategies and mitigation plans. Lean production, in this, we have like history and development of lean. In this, lean production started in post-war Japan with Toyota production system under Tihani Ono. He focused on removing three key efficiencies. Mura, which is waste like waiting times or unnecessary transport. Mura, which refers to uneven workloads causing inefficiency. And Muri, meaning overburden, which stress people or equipments leading to breakdowns. Later, Womack and Jones 1996 expanded these ideas into lean thinking, making them applicable not only to manufacturing but also to service industries worldwide. This history forms the foundation of how companies like DPD use Learn today to improve their efficiency and service quality. Now, I'm giving next slide to Umesh.
Thank you, Neha. From this slide, I am explaining myself, Umesh. Coming to the slide, overview of lean principles. Lean thinking is guided by five core principles identified by Womack and Jonas that Neha said in the previous slide in 1996. The first is to identify values from the customer's perspective. The second is value stream mapping, which analyzes each process step by step and removing waste. A third is creating flow. It ensures operative moves smoothly without delay. Fourth is establish pull systems where services are delivered based on the customer's demand rather than the forecasts. Finally, the fifth one is the principle is seeking perfective through the continuous improvements. For DPD, analyzing these principles helps them enhance efficiency, reduce costs, and improve customers' satisfaction in their parcel delivery services. So that's the why the DPD is the top in the position in the top in the courier services. Coming to the next slide, organization overview of DPD. DPD is also known as Dynamic Parcel Distribution is a leading parcel delivery company in Europe and part of GeoPost under a LabPost group. They operate in more than 40 countries, handling millions of parcels daily. Their hub and spoke model collects parcels at local depots and also sort them certainly and distribute them effectively and fully designated and destinations to their final destinations. This structure enhances their operational efficiency and speed. DPD strategy focuses on fast, reliable, and sustainable delivery services, and also including initiatives like electrical vehicle fleets, etc. And also applying lean production principles helps DPD eliminates the waste of time, optimizing the workflow and enhance customer values and producing the goods fast to the customers. From the next slide, Jatin will continue.
Hello. Yeah. Thank you, Mesh. My name is Shatavi, and today we are going to discuss about the impact of globalization on lean adoption. Here, globalization has significantly increased e-commerce and international parcel deliveries, creating both opportunities and challenges for companies like DPD. So customers now expect fast and relatable delivery worldwide. So lean production enables DPD a standardized and streamlined processes globally, which reduces waste, optimize delivery routes, and improves efficiency. By applying lean principles, DPD achieves faster services, lower costs, and better customer satisfaction, giving it a strong competitive advantage in a global market. This agility and responsiveness are essentials for DPD's success today. So, moving to the next slide, environmental impact of lean adoption. So, lean production has both positive and negative environmental impacts in DPD's operations. On the positive side, lean reduces warehouse storage requirements and which lower energy consumption in sorting hubs. So, however, because lean's just-in-time approach involves frequent small deliveries, it can increase transportation emissions. To mitigate these impacts, DPD has introduced electrical vans and carbon neutralized initiatives in several countries. So, therefore, while lean improves operational effective efficiency, it is essential for DPD to integrate sustainability measures to balance efficiency with environmental responsibilities. Moving to the next slide, best strategy for lean implementation. So, to implement lean successfully at DPD, strong leadership commitment is essential. So, leaders must communicate a clear vision and align goals across the company. So, training employees in lean tools such as 5S for workplace and organization. So, for continuous improvements, for pull up systems will empower staff to identify and reduce waste. So DPT should also use technology like route optimization software to improve delivery efficiency and lower costs. So finally, forecasting a culture of competitiveness and customer satisfaction, it benefits enhancing DPD's competitiveness as well. So from here, Sanita will take over. Over to you.
Yes, thank you, Jatin, for describing the strategies. Now we are going to discuss about the mitigation strategies for implementation issues. Implementing lean in DPT will involve some challenges. Resistance to change is common among employees, so it is important to engage them through clear communication and by explaining how lean benefits their work and the organization. Supplier unreliability can disrupt just-in-time operations, but building long-term strategic partnerships with reliable suppliers will reduce this risk. Service inconsistency can occur if lean standards aren't maintained across all depots, so DPD must regularly monitor KPIs and conduct reviews to ensure standards are met. Finally, gaps in lean knowledge can hinder implementation, so regular training workshops are essential. By addressing these issues proactively, DPD can implement lean successfully. And in the next slide, we have some recommendations. To ensure lean is effective at DPD, we recommend fostering a culture of continuous improvement through Kaizen events, which empower employees to identify waste and suggest improvements. DPD should also integrate lean with sustainability by expanding electric vehicle use and optimizing delivery routes to reduce emissions. Investing in AI and digital tools will enhance route optimization, tracking, and process automation, improving efficiency and service quality. Additionally, building strong long-term relationships with suppliers will support reliable just-in-time operations. Finally, DPT should monitor performance regularly and adapt its strategies based on operational data and customer feedback to sustain lean improvements and stay competitive. In conclusion, globalization has driven the need for lean adoption in service organizations like DPD by increasing competition and customer expectations. Lean helps DPD improve efficiency, reduce waste, and enhance customer satisfaction, giving them a strong competitive advantage. Additionally, integrating lean with sustainability initiatives, such as using electric pans, supports both operational and environmental goals. For lean to be successful, DPD needs strategic planning, leadership commitment, employee training, and a culture of continuous improvement. By following these approaches, DPT can achieve operational excellence and remain competitive in the global logistics sector. Here are some references we took from where we found this informations, and these are all in APA 7 references. That's all for our presentation. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.